Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. So what are you looking at? Well, this is the 74 Sportomatic engine. The car is known as Persephone. But what we're doing now, we got this big box of parts in the mail from Griffiths. And what we're doing now is just checking all the fitment out, because this is a lot easier to do when we're out of the car than when we're in the car. So we've got the bottom bracket figured out. We were able to do the pulley alignment. So now what we'll do is we'll take this guy back off and we'll mount it to this compressor using the supplied hardware. These guys, not supplied, but you should have had them if you're doing a retrofit. In this case, it was a completely different setup. So we're going to get on with it. We're going to get that compressor put onto the bracket, and then we'll figure out which belt it wants. There's the stock size, and we've got an 1125 and 1150. We'll see which one she wants, and then we'll get back to you. So we're going to get on with it. All right, well, our mock-up is complete. 1125 belt was the right belt for this early car, and still leaves us a little headroom. If the belt stretches, we can still open this guy up. Plus, there's enough room that getting the belt on and off pretty easy. And then to check our belt alignment, we're going to make an assumption here that the fan belt is square, because if it's not, we're in a lot deeper trouble than this AC. But when we set this guy up, you can look right down there and you can see that that gap is even, right? So we take our straight edge and we check just to make sure that the belt is square. And that's because the way Griff designed this bracket, if we had to, we could move this guy way forward. We have him set all the way back right now, as you can see from where the slots are. But this guy is adjustable fore and aft, just in case you don't have the belt running true. So it makes it a lot easier than the old one, trying to shim everything. But we're good to go here, and now we can take it back apart because we're not going to put the engine in the car with that guy sitting hanging out there. But we've got everything mocked up. We know we've got the right hardware. Everything torques down. We had to tap out a couple of holes. They hadn't been used in a long time. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. And yes, you can make AC work in these cars. So we'll probably have a couple more videos on the retrofit of the AC system, since Persephone came with the really cool option of the entire under dash is a big vent. So option for the early cars. Thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com and have a fantastic day.